Hey guys, welcome to my channel. After building our greenhouse, we thought about the cheapest way to buy or create a table which could be placed in the greenhouse to display our plants. After searching on the internet and checking over some second-hand marketplaces, we finally decided to spend the least amount of money possible and make 3 tables like this for our plants. In this video, I want to share with you the entire process of our production. If you have a lot of plants, you can make a table like this yourself and place the plants on it, which would be very convenient for day-to-day management. The key is that the cost is low and that you can customize tables of different sizes and styles according to your own needs. Various tables for placing plants are sold online. Wooden tables like this one can hold fewer plants. Generally, greenhouses will use stainless steel like this as a tabletop for placing plants. Its advantage is that it is very sturdy. The mesh table also makes it easier to water plants while excess water drains away. Some countertops can slide for easy movement and management. The disadvantage is that the price is higher. It is too expensive for us. Another practical tabletop for placing plants is a plastic one like this. I have seen these in use at many garden centers or nurseries. They are plastic and very sturdy. There's no need to worry about rust. However, the plastic meshed countertop blocks a lot of sunlight, and this makes it difficult to place plants under the countertop, which is important if your growing space is restricted. Although the plastic ones are cheaper than the stainless steel ones, the price is not exactly affordable. We also searched the Facebook marketplace, but didn't see anything cheap and good. So in the end, we decided to make our own plant table. We went to Home Depot and purchased some 3-foot long and 6-foot long 2x4s. I plan to make a table that is 3 feet wide and 6 feet long. You can make tables of different sizes according to your needs. Home Depot employees will cut the wood into different lengths based on the customer's needs. In a greenhouse, plants need to be watered frequently, so we choose pressure-treated wood. This kind of wood can be used outdoors and will not rot due to exposure to wind, water, or sun. However, this kind of wood can have a strong, unpleasant smell. It is recommended to use it outdoors for a period of time. After the smell is eliminated, it can be moved into a greenhouse without off-gassing heavily. If you are only using it indoors and the wood won't come into contact with too much water, you could choose other wood that hasn't been treated. In this way, you don't have to worry about the unpleasant smell, and it will not affect your health. After we assembled the wood into the tabletop, we secured each corner with the zinc screws. Just 2 screws at the top and bottom to secure each one. It's important to use zinc as the preservative chemicals which have been forced into the wood will corrode other screws over time. After the frame of the table is completed, we fix wire mesh onto the table. We use these horseshoe nails to do this. Since the wire fence is not as wide as the tabletop, we had to go sideways to cover 3 areas. If your wire mesh is wide and long enough, you can just cover the table with wire mesh and secure it with nails. You could also use additional boards to do this. You can really customize your table according to your own needs. We chose wire mesh, firstly to facilitate watering of plants and drainage. Secondly, most of the sunlight can pass through the wire mesh. We can place some shade-tolerant plants under the table to make full use of the space. For our final step, we will attach legs to the table. We used 3-foot-high 4x4 posts and fixed them at each of the corners with zinc screws. When attaching the table legs, you can use more screws to ensure sturdiness and durability. Just like this, a table for placing plants is completed, which is very simple and low cost. It cost us about $150 to make 3 of these tables. Overall, the cost is low and these tables are easy to use. We plan to use it outdoors for a period of time and then move it into the greenhouse for use after the smell has gone away. Alright, that is for today's video. I hope it is helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.